Yeah, so I have a little technical difficulty while ago, you see me? So the cameraman say him catch everything and you're there in the bus and him go some woman, him bounce you.
Yeah.
And then you go say you go to him now and you say, yo, rrr.
So bad, me there say, you know.
Yeah.
And where mashup is, I was at foundation. You know enable string? You know what that mean? Oh, you never used to take up a look at badness at
Your place that.
What you mean? Your enable string at your place?
Okay. So you know see you govern.
Bad man. Let me tell you this, you know. And I know people don't know this, you know, because they don't really talk to elder and really look up to elder.
Word.
You see where your enable string cut at your place.
Word.
Tell him that Smurf. Enough man don't know that. So my neighbor string cut a falmouth and grew a falmouth, born a falmouth, and you disrespect me in a falmouth.
Madness.
But I wasn't gonna thump him in his face in the falmouth because I want the thumb to travel. So I was gonna thump him in his face right out of like green pumps.
Yeah.
As they enter into St. James. So the thumb could connect. From two different parishes.
Traveling thumb.
Travel stuff. You see me, but me never want to thump him in a place so me born. Me want to come out of next village.
Yeah.
Me lock same way.
Yeah.
So thump him in the face. So if people them want to jump in there, which I don't know, I wish he don't have no people in Bay, Montego Bay, who could protect him, but he provoke me. So he turn up and he swing a wild thumb. I grab him. Time bomb. Did he kill up in locks? I said so. When he said so, I time him. You know, say a second scene forward. So.
Yeah.
And he said so again, I thump. This limb now, you know.
Yeah.
You know, one thump got him at this now, you know. Time bomb again. Foreign me live boy. I hold up a Yankee thump in my face.
Yeah.
I have to learn from them.
What you mean?
Listen! You go sit down. You gotta see it, you know. The second thump, you know, in Bill, you know.
Humble.
Until he realize, he really get a thump in his face. He start kill up himself again. But you know me, I am a top dog. I have curses on the side of the bus, always trailing the bus.
Word. And have to protect. From yard and abroad.
Me have a little potella trail the bus all time in Jamaica. Everywhere me go to Jamaica, I bus trail. And the promoter know and the people them who put on the show. And they have to feed them too.
Word.
Protection, my G.
Fact.
Everywhere we go to Jamaica, Lelo Potella they behind the bus in a car drive.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Anyway, we said to woman, Jamil Dawg forward in our bus that a boy see. And grab me. Look back on him and said, ready for transform now in a all up. Dino say, yo, left it alone. Leg go off of my shot and then come out of the bus. I jump in a little car and I drive. We reach our house. And he say, we get eliminated.
The 2 hours now.
2 hours we get eliminated.
Word.
They have a vote. Some know say Jamaica people are hypocrite. If you never like me or you did hate me so much, you come in and them in our house. Because I don't like 5 of them. About 10 of them I like in our house now. They're hypocrite.
You care for sharing the name? You care for call them name?
Lexia one of the biggest one.
Word.
Lexia one of the biggest one. Hot dog, me know hot dog no dey on my side.
Word.
Cause when I watch back the video, I thump him in the face and then grab me out of the bus. And I look and like hot dog they turn up the day. And I think hot dog give him my scissors. But if I did see that out my own eyes and spot, it would be a mystery in the bus. I bus could have left Falmouth.
So the dog gave my scissors for stab you?
Yes. Hot dog and the dog sitting. So the dog did have something in her hand now. A scissors in her hand now. So I saw him get up back now. I come towards me because he have his scissors.
Word.
You go and see it on the video, man. Dog have his scissors in her hand now. So like, hot dog give dog his scissors, dog get hyperactive now. And they forward towards me. But you know what I'm saying? When they tap me with the scissors, I would have shoot him in the head.
Jaja.
Negus. Negus Nation. I say it camera it show name.
Imara Nation.
Imara Nation. And then this time with the scissors there, when I shoot him in the head right there, sir. Cold blood. Right there, sir. Dog, man, provoke me whole show in a dog. But dog, the man run me out in room and say me bad mind him, you know. And next day, I see man come on the beg weed, you know. And nobody na give man, and me a give man weed, and the man say no want it, you know.
And that me I say, brother, cause me say it, right? And you ask me how me know.
Me say it. Me have to say, me tell to the boy, say on the camera, me say, batty boy. Let me tell you this, youth. Don't make me slap in your face. Pussy, who you think you deal with? The man have to give with who you be batty boy. And they say I beg everybody and nobody not pay no mind. Cause Dino you want a friend from me no. Dino I'm mad him no.
Yeah.
Dino I'm mad him no.
So what him and Dino have, bro?
Nothing. Dino just a mad him. Dog, Dino crazy and mad man. The man want be like Dino so bad. The man want be like Dino and Alkaline so bad. See Dino run Alkaline and wishing could have be Dino. Bro, the man wish he was Alkaline and wish he was Dino, bro.
Jaja.
And it's sex when sexy goat appear a lot upon his life.
Where say? Alone problems after that.
Lone goat problem.
Jaja. Because me see brother, me see like where him have. The man have problems with almost everybody in the house. And the two people them with the two people that when him call, one of them you not like. And the next person, a Killer Miller. When him say, yo, Killer Miller and Lexi was the only two people who talk to him.
No, Killer Miller him share bed. When everybody share room, him and Killer Miller share bed.
What the blood clot said to me? Nation, you hear this? You hear this?
Full of ex-gang, man.
You not hear this? Because I come to talk about the fight and know me hear say better share. What the blood clot and I say. So apparently young Killer Miller no deal neither then.
Your glasses.
Yeah man.
You can put your hand.
What you mean?
I joke, me not afraid.
Tracy.
Everybody see how I chat.
Yeah.
When everybody share room and Killer Miller share bed. Say close relationship what they did have. Actually Lexi never did them still. Make it share them never the bed. And true no girl and boy could really in one room. But how would I share them on the bed?
How would the blood clot and I say?
One nation boss.
Bro.
Big up your channel. Dog, you motivate me today for do something. You can tell you that.
Yeah man.
You motivate me to go buy some length and some talkaphone and this. This cool as this cool, bro.
Do it, brother.
This shit feel like me they a breakfast club.
I know what funny? You see, if Hero do this, the YouTube channel gonna take off, you know. Because you can't make money off a live now. People buy badge and them thing there, bro. But if you actually take the time for buy them same equipment I have, brother, as I said, you can show up me for me show you what is what and how to do what. Brother, the YouTube channel gonna take off because people want to hear what Hero have to say. Why I think the live them so up? The live them up from morning when you go live early in the morning, brother. Means a man, when I wake up in the morning, I go to my man check my phone, check my notification, and man, rare. When I look at me see Hero live, 9 o'clock in the morning. When you look, some 3,000, some 4,000 people, I say, what the bum buckle up, them people that have work.
Real talk, man.
And then on the day, you know, got up to some 8,000, I say, yo, whoa, how are this?
Them time them they chat tour wicked. But as me show you something, G. Growth play a very I don't know how to put it, but it play a big part in your life. I think they call growth.
Yeah.
I regret some of the cussing I did on live.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I don't give a fuck. But I regret it.
Yeah.
I used to be a man who used to get up and chat tour every morning. I don't want to do that no more. I want to show them, say, Hero can do this without worry. If you know it's this now, I want to hear me top chat tour.
Yeah.
But a morning time, you know, that people used to ask me where me I get them tour from, you know. So mix up, me tell girl how them pussy think, how them mouth think, how them breast think, lift up breast and lift up belly. As some used to deal with the girl, you know. But me catch myself. Y'all right more and there. Like they man say to mix up, I will never give a pussy.
Word. And I pray that I say, oh, Jaja.
Pray. That lit me in my heart. Like somebody thumped me in my chest out. Me never black her. Only thing I said that was okay. I don't black her, bro. I said okay.
Because of some real shit she attack.
Because of real shit. So
you see? That's what I thought about. If I did some other man, them ego so big. Them would probably tell a guy for a suck her mother. Shut them out, you don't know nothing. But as I say, over and over again, you see that youth here? And you can talk when you want to talk, but my bias and rare. You don't know him. Me know him. One of the realest comedian them this right now. You understand? I'm a G. I give thanks. I give thanks for the strength you give me because a whole heap of people give me the strength for up that thing because I tell you this right now, the interview I got the numbers, brother. Because I say some things right now in an interview where a whole heap of people not here yet. So the exclusive where you give me, brother, I give thanks. And on that note, I just want to say big up World Dawg.
Interview after I show, you know.
Yeah?
You get the first interview, you know.
Yeah?
Nobody know you didn't see. No, you get the first. If I do the show, I fly out. When the show done the Monday, I fly out the Monday evening.
Okay.
So nobody, me not get no interview, me not go around no dinner, me not go no family dinner with them, me not do nothing.
Right.
The show done, me jump back on a plane and fall on my yard. Because CVM, none of them not get the interview, although they want me stay at yard. Me cut.
Word.
Because I need to get back the money.
Word. Respect that.
You see me?
2 weeks away from the money.
2 weeks away from the money, I have to get back to it.
See it there?
You see me?
And hey, we get the exclusive. Get the exclusive.
First interview.
I'm just want to say, big up World Dawg, big up X Gang, big up X Gang Records. Everything we are affiliated with the G, we want to say big up. You understand? Because it's a rascal at strength this the dog give me. I appreciate it, my brother. You see me? You don't know much life, more joy and prosperity. You understand? You have any closing words you want to give the people them?
Negus, big up your damn self. As I said, dog, you just teach me something. And this way you do don't stop, dog.
Yeah.
Because guess what? Yo, fuck, if this take off more than a comedian, who can tell?
That me I say, brother. You understand? Facts.
And then you're going to cuss yourself and say, well, I never start do this long time. But don't regret nothing what you're doing in life.
True.
That me I tell you. Because no fire, no burn favor. Half a blood clot out. Remember me tell you that. No fire, no burn favor you. Half it out. All if you fire light and your throat ticking night, you're going to drop a blood clot sleep one day because you're going tired.
Facts.
Oh, and the fire going out for your blood clot. You hear that, my father? Yo, you know what I say? Yo, the other thing we can go be a motivation speaker.
After. Of course. For one, your voice alone demand attention.
Yeah.
No. Aside from your voice, you have been
you're
through
intelligent youth.
Respect. Aside from your voice, brother, your trials and tribulations, your we call it no ups and downs in a life teach you something where you can bring forth to a lot of people where probably go through it or not go through it yet.
Yeah.
And you can go so boom, yo, A, B, C, D. Because a whole heap of people now have to touch the stove for no said at. You already get burned by the fire and by the stove. And you can tell them, say, yo, yeah, don't touch the stove, you will get burned.
That's real.
You see me?
That real.
You can definitely be a motivational speaker, brother.
That real.
Definitely.
That bad.
I'ma feel like say, yo, aside from the comedy thing, bro,
that bad.
I feel like say you're fair. You know what I mean? Have like a motivational Monday or something. On the live. A motivational Monday.
But I'm too corrupt.
What do you mean by that, bruh?
I can't see a focus long.
That don't mean say corrupt, man. It just means say attention span short. You have to jump up and down, man.
We can't stay one place.
You see me I say? Bro, even if I have 15 minutes, bro, tell the get to use them so yo, you can do it. And as the attention want to shift, you go on with your business. Because you see that 15 minutes, brother, you never know. Could have changed somebody's life. Because a 5-minute conversation with me have with you changed my life. Because you say, I make a stop to the Uptown series. I gotta do back that blood clot. I've got to do it back. Because if Era say, who are you, bro? Era, I want to give thanks, brother. A blood clot, brother. My name is J. You understand? Give thanks for the exclusive.
Father, man.
You understand? You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. You see me? Exclusive interview with World Dawg. Make sure you stay tuned.
Exclusive. I'll want to start with an X.
You see me?
Exclusive.
Same way.
Big up X gang, same way.
Up X gang. Fully X.
Nation, same way.
You understand? Blessings and honor everybody. I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. You see me? Big up World Dawg. X gang records everything.
Fully X.
Fully X.
Father.
Up move.